Your bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen la, your bloody phone is telephone fucking ring. Bloody hell, pick your fucking phone up, you bastard motherfucking cunt. Your bloody telephone, a bloody fucking ring, bastard. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. I'm fucking telling you, fucking sick and tired of this bloody fucking phone. I'm telling you, motherfucker, you pick your fucking phone up, you bloody bastard.
Amore, amore, amore. Sono io, rispondi. Cicibubu, struppolino, stropicciuzzo, amore. Ma che fai? Con chi sei? Dove stai? Amore!
Warning, this phone has detected an incoming call from a loser. Repeat, incoming call from a loser. Please do not attempt to initiate contact. The number has been traced and will be blocked and deleted from your contact list.
I said the phone's ringing. Pick up the phone, man. Do you know what pick up the phone means? It means to press the green button with the phone on it. You press that button, then you can talk. You're so damn stupid. S-T-U-P-I-D. Stupid. Pick up the phone, man. Pick up the damn phone, fool.
Warning! Warning! It's the wife! It's the wife! Warning! Warning! It's the wife! It's the wife! Warning! Warning! It's the wife!
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how your dad has gotten fat.